In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add layer effects in Photoshop. If you want your text, icons, or shapes to stand out, layer effects are a fast, flexible way to add polish. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can confidently add shadows, glows, or strokes without guesswork. Start by selecting the layer you want to style in the Layers panel. You'll usually find this panel on the right side of your workspace. Click once on the layer's name or thumbnail to make it active. If you see it highlighted, you're good to go. This matters because the effect will only apply to the layer that's selected, not to everything on your canvas. Next, look to the bottom of the Layers panel for the FX icon. Click it and you'll see a menu of effects. Choose what you need. Drop shadow for depth, outer glow for a soft halo, inner glow for a gentle interior fade, or stroke for a crisp outline. Pick one to open the settings window. Don't worry, you can always change or stack effects later. Now you'll see a pop-up window where the magic happens. Use the sliders and color swatches to fine-tune the look. Size controls how large the effect appears. Opacity adjusts how transparent or solid it feels. Color lets you set the tone so your effect matches your design. For a shadow, try a darker color and set the angle to match your scene's lighting. Distance moves the shadow away from the object, and spread can make it more pronounced. For a glow, a lighter or brand-colored hue works well, and adjusting the softness will create either a subtle haze or a bright edge. With a stroke, choose the width and whether it sits inside, outside, or centered on your layer's edges. Keep the preview option turned on so you can see changes in real time, and aim for subtle adjustments. Small moves often look the most professional.